Okay, once you're done with the automatic music video cut, it will return you to the home page, and now you can add visual effects. Now the visual effects tab, the AI visual effects tab, works specifically best for music videos that were edited with AutoEdit. If you have a pre-edited music video, you cannot use the AI visual effects tab, but you can use the manual visual effects tab, which is very similar to use. First up, we're going to start with the manual visual effects tab. So this manual visual effects tab, especially in this new V3 AutoEdit, has a couple new features and effect types. The way it works is you literally just go ahead and click throughout the previews of what effects types you want. So you can see some of these previews. So let's say I'm on my timeline after I edited the AutoEdit music video with the AutoEdit plugin, and I like this film burn flash. All I literally do is I just select insert at playhead, and voila, just like that, it applies my film burn exactly at the playhead, and I can move this to wherever I want. I think these film burns work specifically best for in between cuts. So if you want like a quick film burn flash just like that, you can add a film burn flash just like that. Click of a button. It's super easy. And if you select a clip, it will apply it directly at the start automatically for you. So that way you don't have to actually line up these cuts all the time, like exactly manually. But if you don't select any clips, then it'll just insert it exactly at the playhead. So let's go ahead and like try one of these, like right here. You can see right here, I'm just selecting one clip. I hit insert at playhead, and voila, just like that, it applies my film burn flash to my timeline with the click of a button. That's super cool. Now, some other visual effects types in here include film borders, which you can hit insert at playhead, and they'll add some subtle film borders to the edge of your video. This one's kind of hard to see, but they're there. And then the camera shake ones over here are going to insert as adjustment layers. So once you hit insert at playhead, it will automatically load for a little bit, and it'll create a new adjustment layer with your camera shake automatically applied to your timeline. And then that way you get some crazy camera shakes going on without having to drag and drop or create any new adjustment layers yourself. It's just like automatically done for you. Honestly, I love this feature. This is probably one of my favorite features of this plugin. And lastly are the zooms. So this is good for still tripod shots. I made this feature specifically for shots that are still. And let's say you just want a slow zoom throughout this shot, but you don't want to have to keyframe it. You can see we just click on that clip and click apply, and now it adds zooms to all of our still clips. And there's also, of course, obviously a zoom out as well.